Yeah.
When do you say, "Help me, Jesus"?
I say, "Help me, Lord."
When do you say that?
Then somebody prays in church. Then somebody prays in church. Then somebody said, "Boom, boom, 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 boom."
When do they say, "Help me, Jesus"?
They say, "Help me, Lord."
They say, "Help me, Lord."
And thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. That's how I say it.
How do they say it again?
They say, "Thank you, Jesus." That's what you get.
They say, "Thank you, Jesus." Do they shout?
Huh?
Do they shout and dance?
Yeah.
How do they do that?
They just dance before.
They just run and then they say, "Help me, Jesus."
Yeah, they just. They say,
How do they say it again?
They say, "Boonga, boonga," and stuff like that.
How do they say, "Help me, Jesus" again?
They just say,
Say it.
They
Say it. Say it.
They just says, "Tell me, Jesus." God, Lordy, this is a stink like your booty. I never seen.